Hey guys, it's me, Twilight Shimmer, and today I'll be reacting to the last shorts for Equestria Girls that came out in 2019 during the Christmas time, and these shorts are called Holidays Unwrapped. So the first part here is called Blizzard or Bust, so let's get right into it. And this is 7 minutes long, great. I'm sorry guys, I should have paused the video first before speaking, but I basically said this is 7 minutes long, great. This is literally me every morning, not gonna lie, because you know I always stay up late to like 11 o'clock ish.
What time is it? Did we sleep through the test? No, but school starts in 30 minutes.
First of all, I thought school started like at 9 o'clock. Why would they start like that early?
How's everybody feeling about our test?
Even after our all-night study session, I still don't know the difference between vaporization and sublimation.
Reckon this test is gonna be an abomination.
I mean, to be honest, if you actually studied, you wouldn't have been in the situation.
I can't believe we all fell asleep
I still can't believe Twilight actually, failed to study for once.
halfway through our first all-nighter. Not all of us. While you chumps were studying all night, guess who was coming up with a plan?
Okay, so how did Rainbow Dash make that if she isn't a Pegasus pony yet?
You call that a plan? Come on! Do I have to spell it out for you? It's snowing. Snow day means no school. No school means no test.
You know they can just like reschedule the test then, right?
It's hardly snowing, Rainbow Dash.
Come on, guys! You are seriously lacking vision! I've got 20/20 vision, and I can clearly see it's not snowing enough for school to be canceled. Too bad it's not a snow day. It's not a snow day yet. If we can save a sinking cruise ship and break the laws of time and space...
Oh my god, how long is this? Oh my god. Oh my god, like these shorts are like 7 minutes long.
A concert? I'm pretty sure we can convince Principal
I can't even call it a short at this point.
Celestia to call a snow day. There's a lot of innocent kids.
Okay, so in order to save myself the pain of this, I'm gonna be skipping parts. So if you want to watch this yourself, I'm gonna share the links into these videos as usual.
I guess.
A blizzard? Quite an unforeseen development, I'd say. Indeed.
Shall we cancel school?
Don't bother with the snow day, it's phony baloney. Hope those girls enjoyed the tension after their test.
Oh my god. Cranky Duo really just ruined this whole thing.
What are they doing? You guys, I'm trying to see. How are we supposed to know how snow fits into the water cycle?
Maybe we should have studied.
Pinky, what have we been doing for the past 2 hours? All part of the plan. What better way to study than a hands-on project? Oh, I get it. This test relates to our snow day, which means potatoes get mashed, then evaporate into potato moisture where they converge into potato clouds. And when those clouds can't hold the weight, that's where the potato flakes come from. Or is it potato chips? Am I missing something?
It's a good thing that they actually learned something from doing this, I guess. Anyways, that was my reaction to the first part of Holidays Unwrapped. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.